Difference between veganism and plant-based diet. Veganism and a plant-based diet may seem similar, but they differ in purpose, lifestyle, and flexibility. Veganism is a lifestyle and ethical choice that seeks to avoid the use of animal products in all forms. This includes not only food but also clothing, cosmetics, and other products made from or tested on animals. Vegans do not consume meat, dairy, eggs, honey, or any ingredients derived from animals. The focus is often on animal rights, environmental concerns, and reducing harm to animals. A plant-based diet, on the other hand, is primarily about health and nutrition. It emphasizes eating mostly or entirely fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. People who follow a plant-based diet may still occasionally consume animal products like dairy or meat, but in very limited amounts. The main goal is to improve health, manage weight, and prevent diseases, not necessarily to avoid all animal products. In summary, veganism is an ethical lifestyle that avoids all animal products, while a plant-based diet is a flexible eating pattern focused on whole, plant foods for better health. Thanks for watching. For more such informative videos, subscribe our channel and like the video. See you next time.